Okay, I see you've chosen the custom 3x3 Lego Rubik's Cube I made. All I did was I took a regular Rubik's Cube and took 2x2 Lego plates and I super glued them on by replacing the stickers. I think it looks pretty nice. It's a fun cube I like to play with. I don't know how fast I'll go with this one because it likes to lock up because of the weight of the cubes, but I will time myself anyways. Here's my timer. I will start it, and then after I'm done I will stop it and show you guys the resulting time. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Woo! Woo! Okay. There we go. And here's my time. In the white you can see it is 1 minute. Yeah, just a hair over 1 minute. It's really 1 minute and 9 milliseconds. I guess that's what that is. So there we go. That's my fastest time recorded on this one. In case you want to see a little pattern, there you go. I love this Lego cube. Alright, there it is.